We're going to practice how to compute a predetermined overhead rate in exercise 5.3. In this example, Logan Products computes its predetermined overhead rate annually on the basis of machine hours. At the beginning of the year, it estimates that its total manufacturing overhead will be $348,000 and machines would be run a total of 20,000 hours. Its actual total manufacturing overhead for the year was $336,400 and its actual total machine hours was 19,500. So compute the company's predetermined overhead rate for the year, then calculate the total overhead that was applied and determine the amount of over or under applied overhead there was for the year. So to start with the predetermined overhead rate, we start with our little formula, right? So we're looking at our estimated total manufacturing overhead was $348,000. We divide that by our estimated total direct labor hours, and we have 20,000. So the total of our predetermined overhead rate is $17.40 per machine hour. So remember that as well. So then they told us our actual overhead was $336,400, but we don't know that till the end of the year, right? At the end of the year, we found out this is what it actually cost us. But as we're going through each job, we're applying what our predetermined overhead rate is of $17.40 by the actual machine hours. So how much overhead did we actually apply? We actually applied 19,500 hours, because that was the actual hours, and we applied it by multiplying it by our predetermined overhead rate. So we applied $339,300 worth of overhead to our jobs. So what does that mean? Well, the difference of what was actually cost us for our overhead and how much we applied to our jobs is the difference between the actual and the predetermined applied overhead rate is 2,900. So if we applied more than it actually cost us, we're going to consider that we have over applied our overhead by $2,900.